What's up, buds? My name is Zena from Ladybuds Plants, and if you're new here, it's been a while. So today's video is going to be a vlog where I go shopping for my Yule craft night. I go to Michael's and Dollar Tree. I stop and get lunch, and so just keep watching. Let me give you a little backstory. I am hosting a Yule craft night not this weekend, but next weekend, the 17th of December on a Sunday. And so I need to come get some things for that craft night. Like, I'm gonna try to find some clear ornaments that have a big hole on the top so it's not so small. So it's easier to put stuff in them. Some little mini wreath holders, some bells, some things like that, and other things I like if I see them. But I will be going to sorry if my camera's shaking, I have to hold it. But I'm going to Michael's, and then I am going to possibly go to Dollar Tree. More than likely I will go to Dollar Tree. But so yeah, we will see what they have. So I'm going to have to do a voiceover because there was music playing in the background in the store and copyright rights and all that stuff. Look at all this ribbon. It was all on sale. I should have got some. I'm a sucker for the black and white plaid. Oof, it's so cute. And this white garland, if it wouldn't have been $70 fucking, I would have got some because it's a fucking adorable. But yeah, it was $70. And then all these other garlands are so stinking cute. I have one very similar to that one right there. It's just a little bit different colors. But I almost got one of these because it would have matched perfectly. And then this stuff right here, $2.99 for 9 feet of garland. That is an amazing deal. I should have got some. I'm probably going to go back and get some more. And I regret not getting this ribbon because they were buy 2 get 3 free. Do not buy these big boxes. They are ripoffs. They are $9.99 for only 6 to 8 ornaments, whenever you can get these on sale for so much cheaper. And they're so much more customizable because there's so many different types and you can get a variety versus a whole bunch of the same kind. These ones are really cool because you hang them upside down to where they look like a snow globe. I think that's adorable. And then these ones are regular plastic ornaments with the hole on the top. I was looking for the pop open ones specifically. These ones are really cool shaped. I almost got a few of those. They look like little bells. And then here's some really cool stuff. They just had so many good things and it was all on sale. And then of course you have to get the wreath things. Well, I don't even know what these are called, but the little wood wreaths. But yeah. And then here's me being awkward as hell going to the checkout. There is such a good sale going on. I got to go back and pick up 2 more ornaments for free. And now I just got to go show her at the counter. And I'll be good to go. Yep, right here. Thank you so much. I love your outfit. We did it. It's all done. That was awful. Oh my gosh, that was awful. I have not filmed in public in forever, and it just seemed like I was in everybody's way, even though I'm sure I wasn't. I was just really insecure about that, but I'm sure a whole bunch of other vloggers, I'm getting there. I still didn't care. I was filming, I was walking around, didn't care if I was obvious about it. I was just like, So, how have you guys been? Have you been good? I hope so. It's been like a year since I've seen you. So please let me know. Do you have any more kids? How are your kids doing? You know, how are you doing? How's the holiday season going? How was your turkey day? Do you celebrate Christmas? Do you celebrate Hanukkah? Do you celebrate Yule? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments below how you guys have been doing. I would really like to know because it has been a while since I've been on here and since I've talked to you guys. And that would be wonderful. There's so many people. It is Christmas season for this little strip mall area, and it is busy. Busy, 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 busy. Like, I'm a little more nervous to go inside of Dollar Tree than I am Michael's because I feel like it's a little more normal for people to vlog in Michael's than it is in the Dollar Tree. So, this will be fun. All right, we are at Dollar Tree. Oh. My ear itches. Here we go. Bah, bah, bah. The Dollar Tree, the tree of dollars. So, that was terrible. Terribly, terribly, terribly busy. Dollar Tree was god awfully busy. It was terrible. Terrible. Like, I barely filmed anything in there. Sorry, not sorry. There was way too many people because it's Christmas season and I guess they're trying to get them dollar deals. I don't fucking know. It was way too much. Way too much. So I got my little stuff I needed and I left. So now I'm on the way to go home. So yeah. You gotta love when people don't know how to drive. You can go ahead. You go. You have the right of way. Hello?
Hello?
Do you want anything from Faith Soda Shop?
Nah, I'm okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Love you. We are in Faith. It's the cutest little city where I live and it's so Christmassy right now. I'll show you guys for sure, but the town is adorable. But I'm going to stop at the Faith Soda Shop to see my best friend and get some lunch to take home. Look at the Christmas tree up there.
Hi. What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. And I'm getting lunch. Okay. I can get food to go, right?
Yeah.
I just want a BLT.
Hey, how are you today? There you go. It should be up here shortly.
Thank you, madam. Got my food, my drink. We're just gonna hope for the best, but that's a decent shot. Woo! On our way home. Sorry if that was very annoying for some people. I know it might be. All right, let's get this shit. These are my puppies. These are my puppies. These are my puppies. Back up. He's a good puppy. Jesus. What are you doing?
Beefing it on white deck.
Hi, you might recognize me from the intro. Welcome back. I have everything laid out in front of me and I will show you guys what I got. So first we will start off with the ornaments that I have. So these ornaments, they like open up from the middle, so they don't have like a top you pull up and down. So these open up from the middle, you pop it open and you can put everything you want inside of it and then close it. And so I think that's really cool because you don't have to worry about things being too big to like go through the hole, because, you know, I was worried about putting like a bell in there and it not go through the hole. So I got these. These are at Michael's. This was $1.99. These are buy one, get 3 of them free. So run to Michael's and get you some ornaments. I have 10 of these that pop open and close. And then I did like the shape of these ones. They're very like narrow, you know, like flat. And these ones do have the hole at the top, so you have to be considerate of what you put in here. But since it's not that wide, you can't really put anything super big in it anyways. Plus, I think I can make that work anyways. But I got these. I got 4 of these because these were also buy one, get 3 of them free. And this one was $2.99. So you pay $2.99 for 4 ornaments. That's a deal. That is a deal. I got some twine. You can't go wrong with twine, right? It says it's 120 feet, so it's a lot of twine. I got these. These were also buy one, get 3 of them free. So I paid $1.49 for 4 of them. Steal. I got some more moss. I have some, but I figured I'd want to get more because who doesn't love moss? And it'd be so cute. So that's everything I got at Michael's. This is all the stuff I got from Dollar Tree, which it was so busy in there. It was so busy. I'm just like, I went in and out. I was looking for bells, found the bells, got out. Sorry if it's loud. But I got these larger bells. I got red, gold, and silver. And then I got these smaller bells. These are 20 pieces. When you're a witch, you can never have too many bells. That's all I'm saying. Alrighty then. Here are some pictures of the ideas that I have with the ornaments, and then that I have with some other crafty Yule ideas that we have. I hope the ladies are excited. I can't wait to make a bunch of cool things with you guys. If you guys are interested in like seeing my craft night and some of the things that we make, I don't know if I'll film, but I might like take some little clips here and there and like get pictures and stuff of everybody else's goodies, because I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel so you can see whatever I post in the future. I have no idea, so just stay tuned and stay with me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.